Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. So for those who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you a guide on how to fix there was a problem parsing the package. So if you want to know how to fix this, just keep on watching. So, there was a problem parsing the package error typically occurs on Android devices when you try to install an app and the APK file is corrupted, incompatible, or improperly downloaded. Here are some steps you can follow to fix this issue. So first is to enable unknown sources. So by default, Android devices block the installation of apps from sources other than Google Play Store for security reasons. To enable the installation of apps from unknown sources, go to your device's settings, security or privacy, unknown sources, and toggle it on. However, exercise caution when installing apps from unknown sources as it may pose security risks. Second, re-download the APK. If you downloaded the APK file from a website or source other than the official App Store, the file might be corrupted or incomplete. Try downloading the APK again from a trusted and reliable source. Next is to check compatibility. Ensure that the APK file is compatible with your device's architecture and Android version. For example, if you have a 64-bit device, make sure you are downloading the 64-bit version of APK. Next, clear cache and data. Sometimes, cached data can cause installation issues. Go to your device's settings, select Apps or Application Manager, then select the app name, and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Try installing the app again once you've done that. Now you need to scan for malware. If the APK file is from an unknown or unreliable source, it may contain malware. Use a reputable antivirus app to scan the APK before installing it. So the next one is to check for SD card errors. So if the APK file is stored on an external SD card, there may be issues with the card. Try copying the APK to your device's internal storage and install it from there. Next, update Android System Web View. Android System Web View is responsible for rendering web content within apps. Make sure it is up to date by going to the Google Play Store, searching for Android System Web View, and updating it if needed. Next is try a different installer. If the issue persists, try using a third-party APK installer from the Google Play Store. Some of these apps might handle the installation process more effectively. And your last resort is factory reset. If none of the previous solutions work and the problem persists, you may consider performing a factory reset on your device. However, keep in mind that a factory reset will delete all data on your device, so make sure to back up your important data first. If you continue to encounter there was a problem parsing the package error after trying the previous steps, consider seeking help from your device manufacturer support or a professional technician to diagnose the issue properly. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!